go. Look at this is GS25. It's a 24-hour convenience store in Korea. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be having a 3-course meal. Only convenience store food. We're making a 3-course meal on the $17 budget. Let's do it. So Jay is gonna be the first. That's his 20,000 won, and he's gonna pick his appetizer, course meal, and his dessert. Okay, let's go.
I don't know what the appetizer is for real. She said 20,000 won. No, it's not sneaking around and see. Ooh. And here she goes. Sneaking on. Look good stuff. Fucking pizza. Appetizer gotta be appetizer, of course. Those hard choices. Something different. 1,500 that one. And the main meal. This looks pretty fucking good though. This is it, guys. Such a good choice. We got one dessert. Okay. Okay.
Total is 16,351. Okay. Not bad. This is my 20,000 won. My turn. Okay, so I think I want this. It's supposed to be like soup and meat. I'll get this and rice. The plain rice.
I forgot a drink.
You forgot.
Yeah, I forgot a drink.
You can still go get it. Appetizer, I actually could do chips for appetizer. Yep. Could get some nuts, chips and nuts as appetizer. These are really cheap. I'll take the apple. I can't really tell how much is the ice. For dessert, I'm gonna have ice cream. Ice cream for dessert.
Come here.
Put it in the tub.
I calculated mine in my head. Ooh. I can't see it good. Ooh.
Singing time.
Just there. Just there. $3,001, they say. There's a lot of $3,001 around here, you know what I'm saying? This is the one.
We're done, and for appetizer, I got Pringles, chips. Why are you shaking? And nuts. It's pretty cold in here. We thought it was gonna be warm, but it's really cold. Jay, what did you get?
No.
You got ramen. I don't know if that should be considered an appetizer. Is this really an appetizer? Let us know in the comments. He got ramen and egg. Chips. Y'all should totally try this together. Almond and chips. So the onion.
You gonna be done for me for most of my items?
I don't even know if I'm going to be able to finish that.
You won't finish it. I'm gonna chew this. They smell okay. They
You should add the nuts or something.
don't try them. I don't like nuts much.
Oh, I love nuts.
Not bad.
Not bad. I really love it.
I'm going in for another one. I know, they're hard.
I can help you eat your ramen too.
What's that? Spoons here. I need spoons, forks. Make America great again, am I right, guys?
Damn. I thought you were gonna bite and let me have some.
Oh yeah.
Just no joking on my
I'm gonna have to buy another one later. I need you to try this. They look like they season the inside of the egg.
Or maybe it could just be the ramen seasoning. Okay.
That's really good. Let's try it. You see that experience? Yeah, just
Chips dipping ramen soup. I don't see the difference.
You didn't add enough. You only did a singular one. It can't absorb all the juice.
Oh,
Two, we can add one more.
that's it. It's like pieces in there.
Yeah, that's enough dipping now. Not enough taste. Yeah. You taste it.
It's alright.
Okay. This won't taste now. Let's continue on to your next food.
So guys, we're done with appetizers. For our main course meal, what do you have, Jay?
This thing. I don't know what it is.
Let me see. It says
Oh, it's upside down.
Mekong Dao Bichi. It's like chicken.
Yeah, I got chicken.
It's like the chicken legs.
I got that chicken
Cha
legs.
hyun min pap. Pap is rice. That's the most I can say. So
Yeah, I
it's
got
like
chicken
maybe
and
rice and some chicken stew. This is like gim. Gim is like seaweed, liver kind of, and then cheese. So he got rice with chicken stew and cheese. So every time we go to Korean restaurant, my go-to is soup. So I got soup and rice.
Okay. Now I'm making them.
It comes with rice, guys. I shouldn't have bought rice. That's the soup. And then the spoon.
We have rice right here. Then we have the meats. Then we have cheese.
Send there. Set it on 3 minutes.
Not as nice looking as the picture. The picture is kind of a scam almost.
Oh, you're not doing it the way they did it. They put the rice to the side, the meat to the side, the cheese on top.
I'm going by the instructions. Look at the instructions real quick. Look at the instructions.
Yeah, you could put it to the side.
It says when I put it.
Can you record?
Listen, when I put it like this, it's gonna appear like this. That's how they did it.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, the heat spreads it to the side. This is the first one. Where I'm recording this. This is the first one I've been to. I came to.
That's my soup.
Know that?
So good. Oh, please. Perfect. Oh, I love the rice so much.
Not done yet.
Mine is ready. So is Jay's.
No, not quite yet.
Okay, not quite. I'm gonna just heat my rice up just a little bit more. This is Jay's rice, and this is my rice and soup. With my meal, I have a drink.
I have a drink too.
Do you?
Maybe pass it over. Yeah. Half a gallon of milk, no, a quarter of milk, something.
So for my full course meal, I get soup, rice,
See this? Certified milk.
and apple juice. Very nice for my juice. And Jay gets rice and stew with cheese and something called gim with sesame seeds.
Yeah.
And a whole gallon of milk.
I'm gonna drink it all in one sitting for you guys.
Crazy. We're done, and you know what time it is. It's time for dessert. This is what Jay is so proud of. He's keep talking on my dessert, my dessert, my dessert. So let's see his dessert, okay? Let's see.
This falls into the dessert.
Oh really? You put it out twice? I got a little dessert, guys. I'm not big on sweet. I don't really like sweet. He knows that. So I just got me this ice cream. Go for it. Go crazy.
This has Netflix on it.
Oh
so
my god.
It means it. And look at it.
Probably
look at the labels.
partnership with Netflix.
Look at it. Look at it.
It's cake.
Something, right? Then there's like a brownie with white stuff on it. Yeah, see?
Still cake.
Then milk to drink it.
It's cake. He just got a bunch of cake, people.
Okay.
A bunch of cake. Yeah, I'm hating. I'm hating for real. He got cake.
Yeah, you got cake.
Well, I just got ice cream, so let's dig into it.
First thing
Can you help me, babe? Oh, is that coconut?
What's this cake though? Yeah, we can get some, don't worry.
Oh, this is whitey marshmallow cake partnership with Netflix. And then this one is what?
Cake.
Malong Tilamis.
It's good.
It's super.
I
I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, people. Oh,
don't know what that is, but it looks good.
guys. Oh. Don't laugh at me.
You think it looks good? It's still good. It don't look like ice cream, but it's something.
Guys, look at that.
Yeah.
Don't squeeze it.
What is it? Is it like dough?
It looks so
I want
cute.
some of it
Okay.
too.
Oh, well, look at that. Someone want mine. Look at that.
Look at them balls.
What is wrong with you, bro? Look at that.
That's so Mexican. Is it good? Okay.
I know what this is. I just
We're
can't.
gonna do a taste test, both of ours. You try mine, I try yours. You try. You know what I'm saying?
I completely forgot, but I think I know what this is. Good.
Okay.
I got ice cream and like a dough. Oh my god.
That is so sticky.
Oh.
Yeah. It's not icing, I realize. If only I could read Korean, huh? But it's not icing, huh?
Nah, this is a marshmallow. White marshmallow cake.
I'm a little let down, honestly.
Let me taste it. Okay.
Yeah.
Come back. Not bad, guys. I like coconut. They literally have coconut on this thing. Ooh. Oh, that's good. That's good, huh? We should do a video specifically for desserts. Because these are good. The ice cream in this thing. Marshmallow cake. You taste nothing. Like even the flavor. So good, guys. So good. You should put all of them in your mouth. I'm a real fan of marshmallow.
Yeah.
So.
Definitely not here for this one.
But the coconut, I like coconut too. Not bad. That's good though, right? So good. I think it's not even expensive. No, I'm not really a fan of this. Let's see.
Go deeper.
What exactly is this? It's just layers. I'm gonna get the same thing.
No.
Too sweet for my liking.
She just a hater, dog.
Really?
Hater.
I'm ready to go home. It's so cold. I'm not putting milk in this.
We don't want to.
No, no. Why you always trying to make me drink milk when you know I'm lactose intolerant? I mean, I drink it anyways, but oh, I'm so cold. So guys, we're done. We had appetizer, main course meal, and dessert. It was good. I'm absolutely full right now and cold, so I'm ready to go home. But that was it, guys, and now we're gonna tell you guys how much we're left with from the budget. Like I said, we both had 20,000 won, Korean won. And Jay, you want to go first?
You go first.
I'm left with 2,000. I'm left with exactly 2,401. 2,401. That's like taking $17 and I'm left with like $2.
Okay, I'm left with 1,000.
So cool.
671.
1,000. So that's like he's left with like $1, or maybe a little less than.
That's like 55 cents.
Yeah. So thank you guys for joining us. We hope you see you next time. Please vote who you think did best with the budget and the food that they got, and we hope to see you guys next time. Let us know what challenges you think we could do or we should do. We're so cold and we're ready to go home. Bye bye.